Virgo, this is your channel messages for the 5th of November. I'm your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Virgo, your channel messages is 10 of Pentacles. I'm getting money. Money, money, money. Money. Right, I'm getting money, Virgo. What else am I getting? Nothing else. So you're gonna get some money. So make sure you be thankful for it. Okay? Be thankful. And make sure you thank Beyonce. Virgo, make sure you thank Beyonce. And I like to thank, I just want to say, Beyonce had the record of all time. Beyonce had the best record of all time, right? Make sure you thank Beyonce if you love your life. I want to thank Beyonce. Here we go. Remember those walls I built? Baby, they kept tumbling down. They didn't even put up a fight. They didn't even make a sound. I found a way to let you in, but I never really had a doubt. Standing in the light of your halo, I got my angel now. It's like I've been awakened. Every rule you had me breaking, it's a risk that I'm taking, and I ain't never gonna shut you out. Everywhere I look and now, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can feel your halo. I know you're my saving grace. You're everything I need and more. It's written all over your face. Baby, I can feel your halo. I pray it won't fade away. Your halo. Halo. Ooh. Exactly. I'm getting your somebody's halo. Is this Haley, baby? Halo. Oh my God, halo. I'm singing in the light of your halo. I got my aim. This is what the fuck, what's your name? Haley, Bailey? This is what you should sing to your fucking child. Make the EG where you want to be on fucking Twitch. You don't see what's happening to Twitch? They raided Kai Cenat's house. And it's alleged that Kai Cenat is now a Jewish puppet. Allegedly. Haley, Bailey. Haley, sing this message, Halo. Ever believe, but I never really had. I found a way to let your father in. Never had doubt. Standing in the light of your halo, I found my angel now. It's like I've been awakened. Every rule he had me breaking is the risk I took with your dad. He always trying to shut me up. I told him I'm gonna take the PS6. You should see how it started to vibrate. Halo, I can see your halo. DDG will never take it away. Okay? Sorry, let's go ahead and go into your reading. I'm sorry, DDG, you fucked up, man. You fucked the baddest bitch in Hollywood and still fuck. You got the baddest pussy in Hollywood and still didn't know how to fucking treat it. You got nice innocents in Hollywood, but no, the so-called bad bitches in Hollywood are the girl with the fake tits, fake ass, fake hair, but you got a naturalista, and what did you do? You fondled the bag, because you broke. No, I'm joking. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. We're actually going into your soulmate reading, to be very honest with you. Let us go. Who is your soulmate? Virgo. No, I know it's Ho. I know you already with Jay-Z, babe. I know this, okay? But at the same time, let's just say, what is Jay-Z's sign? Let me find Jay-Z's sign. Jay-Z's us. Capricorn? You look like a Capricorn, though. Okay. Jay-Z's zodiac sign. No panty with bras, that's so necessary. No panty in jeans, is that necessary? No panty in jeans, is that necessary? And why you fronting on me? Is that necessary? Cause I'm to you. Okay, let me see. Hove! It man, December the 4th. That sounds like a Sagittarius. So Sagittarius and Virgo. Okay, let us see what is coming out December the 4th. No bra with t-shirt, that's so necessary. No panties with jeans, that's so necessary. And why you fronting on me? Is that necessary? Okay, let's go. Let us see where you're meeting your soulmate. No, wait to see who is your soulmate, Beyonce. No, I'm joking. Let's see who's your soulmate, Virgo. We have the Knight of Cups. And you know what? I feel, you know what? The biggest man Beyonce could have done with in Hollywood was Jay-Z. I feel like she really put Jay-Z on a pedestal. She always, I think, she's like, I got it. I love me some Jay-Z. And it was like, everybody, and it's like, she really put it on a pedestal. She just show you, even though Beyonce is the epitome of what it is to try to. Beyonce was the epitome of sexy. She was worshiping her man. Remember? Beyonce never sing, I don't cook, I don't clean, but I got this ring. Any song Beyonce did sing, it was because she find out some cheating shit or she there with a man, right? She always put him on a pedestal, but he never really reciprocated. Me never hear him big up him wife before. He must say, yeah, and you know, Beyonce had, yeah, he must talk about her album very professionally. Me never say Jay-Z have a heartwarming moment about him wife before, never. She did it with him. Beyonce was she always put him on a pedestal. Always. And if you know about Jay-Z as Sagittarius number 4, you cannot, them don't like public display of affection. You can't touch them, kiss them up in the public, them don't like it. Maybe it's because he had other bitches. And if that's not it, me getting them like to come across as that, so them friends don't see them as nicey. But he's with Beyonce. Beyonce can worship our man, you can too. That nigga that works at that fucking factory, you can worship him too. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. I'm getting your soulmate is a water sign, it's not a Sagittarius. No, Jay-Z, I'm looking at Jay-Z chart. Jay-Z birth chart. No patterns with G. I said, I love girls, I do adore. You put your number on his paper, cause I would love to date you. Holla back when you come on tour. I got a girl from Jamaica, she said, hey Jay-Z, why you treat me like animal? When I met you, you were broke and homeless too. Wait, I'm trying to see his chart. Jesus Christ. I so it's hard to get so, Bert. It's saying your soulmate is a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. I need to see what is a moon sign. Is his moon? It's a Sagittarius sun. His moon is Libra. This is not looking good. What is in water? Him neither know the Pisces. Really? I did not know that. He's neither known as Pisces. I don't like Pisces neither known. They always have very fatal endings. Very tragic fatal ending. I don't like this another nodes in Pisces. It always some overdose, some weird ass, some car crash, weird ass shit, man. I hate it. Him son of Sagittarius, Simona Libra. I don't know who's the water sign. But I'm getting you're supposed to be with a water sign. Anyways, let's just go ahead and go into your reading. I'm so sorry. I did not mean to start anything. I just want to thank the Academy for giving me this opportunity. I did not mean to start anything. I just wanted to read and truth. Alright, okay, let's go. Let us go. Lord Jesus, come. The girl why I yell soon come down here. Anyways, where will you meet the soulmate? The 6, I mean, yeah, meet them on a trip. I'm getting it up on one cruise. Or you and them went off on a yacht. Something about a yacht. All I need in my life is bae. Is me and my girlfriend. Me and my girlfriend. Time around the American. It's me. I'm getting it up on a yacht. I don't know. I'm seeing a yacht. I get up on the yacht and it's a play. All I need in my life is Jake. It's me and your girlfriend, me and my girlfriend. Times around in American. It's me and my boyfriend, me and my boyfriend. We get to not meet on a cruise. What do you guys have in common? The emperor. Both of y'all are emperors. You're the top in your fields. Thus Jay-Z and Beyonce. Now, of course, he's covering the lamb, but the lamb is also used as a sacrifice. So something about a sacrifice was done to protect you. What's that layer? What issues have you overcame? The devil, yeah, industry. No panties with jeans, that's so necessary. And why you fronting on me? Is that necessary? Do I, for you, look like the type of nigga, right? The devil, Armageddon, none of us not getting a health scare yet. I don't like Pisces and other notes. Not that I don't like them as in these bad people. I'm getting afraid on the ending. It's always tragic. But when I have to overcome the devil, so I have to overcome industry. Or apparently somebody has to overcome the fact of not fucking a man. Let's continue. What relationship did you share in a past life? And the Four of Cups. Both of y'all were drink buddies, or they used to go to bar frequently and meet. And how can you deepen your relationship? We have the Queen of Pentacles. There's no way to deepen it, Beyonce. Jay-Z, how come you gonna leave Beyonce the fuck alone, man? Yeah, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, you're the only person in the picture. There's not you with a man. You are get the money now. So I'm getting the handlee has become the handler. So I'm getting at first you were with a man. And even though the man was your producer, you were the most talented artist and you were working under this man. But then slowly but surely you saw that, Jay-Z may be the biggest thing, but apparently the beehive is bigger. So what you decided to do is, on top of training Blue to be the best of the best dancing soldier ever, and know that she obviously wants to be like her mom and not like her dad, no, you just tax him. You phantom tax him. You be like, I was thinking, maybe Hov needs to be named Bay. And that's how she get the money. Because making everything go to Beyonce. And maybe there's a lot, maybe she learn from her handler. Me don't know. Your man cheat back on him. Cheat back on him, girl. When you say, I'm Beyonce, I have 3 kids, I can't have cheated allegations. Your man a cheat by you, I don't care if you're Beyonce. Him fuck by you, can't fuck. But the problem is, who would Beyonce fuck? I'm sorry, I don't even need to speak this way. I'm the queen, that's the problem. Even if Beyonce was supposed to cheat, who would she cheat with? Our man a Jay-Z, even if she cheats, who should cheat with? Who shall cheat with? Who would be on a collaborator Jay-Z? Unless he's an athlete. Maybe you're dealing with an athlete. Anyways, let me take this here because I don't want... We have passport. We have debt. We have Wheel of Fortune. We have enemy. And we have... I trusted the wrong person. So remember, do not trust the wrong people, because sometimes you trust people in life. That's why I'm going to thank everybody who has given me the... I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.